Hey everyone, make sure to check out my page, like my videos, and follow for more amazing content. Did you know that sometimes the Bible shows us that getting justice means being really brave and smart when the system lets you down? Meet Tamara, a young black college student whose life changed forever when Judge Tyler, a powerful white judge, hurt her badly. When she tried to get help, nobody believed her because he was too important and had too many friends protecting him. But Tamara remembered the story of Tamar from the Bible. She decided to be brave and clever. She dressed up like someone else and met the judge at a hotel. While there, she secretly recorded him talking about all the terrible things he had done to other women who came to his court. It was scary and dangerous, but Tamara knew other women needed justice too. When she shared the recording with everyone, the judge finally got arrested and went to prison. Sometimes when the world fails us, God gives us the courage to find our own path to what's right. Justice takes brave hearts.